What's up, fellow traders? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on earth watching me. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from IFX Forex Trading Studio. These are markets that we've analyzed for a long time. We're just checking the progress. You get it? And it keep going, it keep progressing, just like we forecasted. It's a good thing. Right now I'm analyzing the EU Stock 50 CFD. You understand? EU Stock 50 CFD. That's what I'm analyzing as we speak right now. So just take a look at the market. Since like 3 weeks now, we've forecasted this market that this is the direction the market will take, and it's taking the accurate direction with no question. And I said it last week. I said it that should the market want to hit that this market is an uptrend market, I forecasted ever since it got to this fifth position. I forecasted even before it got to this side. I forecasted. You understand that this market is an uptrend market because the price action clearly states that it's an uptrend market, which it's doing right now. Just take a look at it. It's an uptrend market. Many things has happened within these candles. This is the stock market, but many things has happened within these candles that proves that the market is an uptrend market. You get it? So this is really sweet. This is sweet. You get it? This is sweet and this is good. I don't know what you see in this market as a stock trader, but what I see in this market as a stock trader, according to not just Forex trading price action calculation, but according to the stock calculation, the stock trading price action calculation as well, and with experience, this market tells me that it's an uptrend. This was why I went for it. You get it? And it's booming, sweet and sweet and sweet. It's a bullish trade. You get it? Not bearish right now, but the bearish is trying to fight it. So I said it last week that should it want to bounce, it's going to hit this direction and it's going to get back up. But as we speak right now, it's not hitting that specific direction. It's hitting another direction based on the trend of the bullish trending. You understand? So I'm still on point. It's still right. You get it? I'm still very right. You get it? So this is it. I'm just gonna do the candle like this. You get it? So this is it. So maximum. Let's just say it like this. You get it? So this is what we're talking about. So I'm coming. Let me just let me do it again. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So that's an X. That's an X point. That's an X point. Just like they said now. That's an X point. So it's moving. It's moving up, just like I forecasted. So I don't know what you see in this market, but people, please, before we continue, please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all of my social media pages on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat as well. Please show your boy some love, please. I really appreciate it. Show your boy some big love, big love. I really appreciate it. Please. I really appreciate it. Please, I just need you to show your boy some love. I'll be really happy about that, and God bless us all as we do this. Please, I really appreciate it. So like we were saying, the market is really going chitty bang bang right now. It's boom. So boom, it's going up. So it's a really good thing. I don't know what you see in this market. I don't know if you trade stock, but should you trade stock, if you have any stock that you want me to analyze for you, please drop the comment on the section below. I'll try to analyze it and I'll tell you what's going on about it. If you have any Forex market that you want me to analyze for you, please send me them, put it on the comment section below, and I'll analyze it. I'll tell you this is what I see in the market. Me and my team, You get it? Me and my team will analyze it and will tell you this is what we see in this market. This is what we see that is going to happen in this market. Please, people, I'll really appreciate it if you could show your boy some love, show your people some love. Let us know what you see. Let us know what you believe is going to happen in the market, and we really gonna be very much happy with you. We're happy with everyone, but we're especially happy. We especially with everyone is special to us. Everyone is special to us. You understand? So we consider ourselves as a family here in IFX. You understand? We consider ourselves as family. You get it? So it's a very wonderful, big Forex trading family. So if you want to join us, please, I would really appreciate it if you could join us. You could just come and see what we're up to, see what we do. So please, I'll really appreciate it if we could come together and come see what we do. If you have any market suggestion that you want to suggest to us to analyze for you, we'll be really happy to analyze it for you. Be it binary options, stock, commodities, forex trading, bonds, indexes. Just let us know. Cryptocurrencies. Just let us know, and we will definitely analyze the market for you and tell you what's next to be done. So this is one thing that I want you to know. So this market is going bullish. Please don't forget, should it reverse, it will hit this point and it's still going up, all the way up. That's just it. You understand? So people, please just let me know what you think. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button below. Please let me know what you see in the market. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you see the market that is going to be. If it's wrong, I'll really appreciate it. Please, people, I very much appreciate a polite comment, a polite correction. I'll be really happy because I don't insult people whenever I want to correct them. So everyone, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God help us all. God bless us. Please like, share, subscribe. God help us all. God bless us. God be with us, guide us, protect us, and see you in my next video. Have a good one.